Tilling the soil to plant pumpkins. When finished tilling, dig a hole with a hoe. Dig the next hole with an interval of 11.8 inches. Put 50 grams of chicken manure and 50 grams of cow manure in each hole. Finally, place the tilled soil on top and you are ready to plant pumpkins. Pumpkin seedlings planted. Mowed grass around the seedlings because of the hot weather. This will help retain a little moisture around the seedlings. It's been a day since I put down the grass. The grass had shrunk in the heat, so I cut the grass again and added more. Hopefully the pumpkins will grow well. Water thoroughly in the morning. 2 weeks have passed. The leaves of the pumpkins seem to be getting healthier. The buds are coming out too. I thought they wouldn't appear, but they did. Pumpkin female flowers. The difference between male and female flowers. Male flowers do not have a bulge at the bottom of the flower. However, female flowers do have a bulge at the bottom of the flower. This should help you distinguish between male and female flowers. Since this is the long-awaited female flower, I'll pollinate it right away. Cut off the petals of the male flower to expose the stamens. If you apply pollen firmly to this part of the female flower, pollination is complete. I hope it grows well. If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. Check out this video for tips on growing pumpkins. Thank you for watching.